Before we get our topic tonight, I'm Joshua Dialong from BPA2A. We will talk about the biggest problem in our world, the climate change. So climate change means the earth is getting hotter because of too much pollution and greenhouse gases. It's caused stronger typhoon, drought, and melting ice in the polar region. Climate change affects not only our countries but all countries in the world. Some islands are sinking because of rising sea level. Farmers lost crops because of extreme weather. People and animals lost their homes. It's also affect our health and food supply. We can help by planting trees, reducing waste, and using clean energy like solar panels. Government and people must work together to protect our planet for future generations. Let's take action now because we have only one Earth. And that's all. Thank you.